Imagine a server where a powerful upgrade requires a massive upfront cost. The upgrade promises better loot later, better jobs, better income, better long-term rewards. But to unlock it, players must take a large loan. Welcome to the student loan mechanic. Welcome to the server. On this server, education is like a skill tree. Players invest gold coins, time, energy, years of grinding. In return, they expect stronger income stats. But here is the twist. Most players do not pay for this upgrade with raw gold coins. They borrow. The lender guild gives them a large stack of gold coins, enough to unlock the education upgrade. But the deal comes with a condition. The gold coins must be paid back with interest over many years, sometimes decades. This is the student loan contract. At first, it feels manageable. The payments are small. The future income looks promising. The upgrade seems worth it. Player 2 is especially excited. Player 2 sees the upgrade screen and clicks Accept immediately. New degree, new prestige, future success. But loans have a hidden mechanic: interest. Every cycle, the outstanding balance grows slightly, even while players are still in school. The debt meter quietly ticks upward. Player 1 notices this immediately. Player 1 studies the loan interface. Player 1 checks the interest rate. Player 1 calculates the long-term cost. Player 2 skips the details. Player 2 clicks Confirm. Years pass. The upgrade finishes. The player enters the job marketplace. Now the repayment phase begins. Monthly payments start draining gold coins. Small at first, but constant. This is where the trap starts forming. Because life on the server is expensive. Rent, food, transport, taxes, other upgrades. The loan payment becomes another permanent drain. Player 4 feels this the most. Player 4 starts with lower savings, lower safety buffer, lower margin for mistakes. Every payment matters, and interest does not sleep. If the payment is too small, the balance barely moves. Sometimes it even grows. That is the most dangerous mechanic: negative progress. The player pays every month, but the debt meter barely shrinks. Sometimes it rises. Player 3 understands the problem. Player 3 examines the loan balance. Player 3 realizes something important. This is not a short quest. It is a long grind. The system is designed around time. The longer the loan lasts, the more interest the lender guild collects. And here is another complication. Student loans are difficult to remove. Most debts on the server can be reset through bankruptcy, but this loan type has special rules. The devs locked the escape button. That means the debt follows the player through job changes, through relocations, through financial setbacks. Player 2 discovers this the hard way. Player 2 expected fast success after the degree upgrade, but the job market does not always cooperate. Some careers pay well, some do not. Some players land strong income buffs, others struggle. The loan payment does not care. It still arrives every month. Now imagine the pressure this creates. A player cannot easily change direction. They cannot easily experiment. They cannot easily quit a bad job. The loan becomes a leash. The player must keep earning gold coins just to stay afloat. This changes behavior. Players choose stability over risk. They avoid starting businesses. They delay moving cities. They postpone other life upgrades, buying houses, starting families, launching new ventures, all because the loan timer keeps ticking. Player 1 navigates this carefully. Player 1 chooses degrees with strong income potential. Player 1 borrows cautiously. Player 1 pays down principal aggressively. Player 2 takes a different path. Player 2 borrows heavily. Player 2 assumes future income will solve everything. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not.
Player 3 adapts. Player 3 focuses on budgeting. Player 3 reduces expenses. Player 3 attacks the loan slowly but steadily. Player 4 faces the hardest challenge: low income, high payments, little room to maneuver. For Player 4, the student loan becomes a long-term debuff, not a temporary inconvenience. And this is why many players call it the student loan trap.
The system promises opportunity, and sometimes it delivers. But the financing structure creates risk, especially when tuition prices rise faster than income. That has been happening across many servers. Education costs increased, borrowing increased, debt balances grew. Now, millions of players carry this loan status. Some manage it well, some struggle for years, some remain stuck for decades. The trap is not just the loan itself. It is the combination of three mechanics: high initial borrowing, compounding interest, and slow income growth. Together, they create a powerful economic mechanic, one that is difficult to escape once activated. This does not mean education is useless. Far from it. Many players gain valuable skills. Many increase their income. Many repay their loans successfully. But the system requires careful navigation. Understanding interest, understanding career outcomes, understanding borrowing limits. Because on this server, not every upgrade pays off equally. Some skill trees generate massive income. Others generate modest rewards. Yet the loan mechanics remain the same. The debt does not scale down just because the income did. That mismatch is where players get trapped. And once the trap closes, escaping requires patience, discipline, and time. Lots of time. That is the student loan trap, a mechanic designed to unlock opportunity, but one that can quietly lock players into years of repayment. Welcome to the economy. Welcome to the server.